What if I told you you could build a complete professional website with 3D effects, animations, and even AI-powered features without writing a single line of code? Well, in today's video, we're going to do exactly that. I'm going to show you how to turn your ideas into a real working website using Ready AI. We'll start from scratch, create every section step by step, customize the layout, add 3D elements, and finish by publishing the entire site live for the world to see. By the end of this video, you'll see just how powerful and honestly, how fun building with AI can be. So grab your prompts, follow along, and let's dive straight in. So guys, here we are on Ready's official website. Ready is the all-in-one platform that we use to go from an idea or even just a prompt to a fully working app that's ready for the real world. It's an advanced platform that's trusted by major companies like Adobe, TikTok, Samsung, and many others. Now, getting started is super easy. All you need to do is open the first link down below in the description box of this video and sign up for a Ready account. Once you're in, you'll see this page, and this is where the magic happens. Here, we actually have 3 different ways to start creating our project. The first option is to start completely from scratch by entering a prompt that describes the kind of project you want to build. The more detailed and descriptive your prompt is, the more accurate and powerful your result will be. The second option is really cool. It lets you use a link to any website you want to take as a reference. So if you've seen a website that you like, maybe a modern SaaS landing page or a clean portfolio, all you have to do is grab its link, paste it right here, and let Ready AI do the rest. Okay, that looks amazing. Seriously, how did it even get access to these animations in the background? They seem to be some kind of open source video or motion files, but still, this is insane. The fact that Ready just created this entire website only from a single link is mind-blowing. Okay, let's move on to the third option. It lets you create a website for your brand or business simply by uploading your business card. Ready AI will automatically analyze your brand details, like your name, logo, color palette, and contact info, and then generate a professional, ready-to-use website for you within seconds. Once your project is generated, you can explore it freely. Edit the layout, change text or images, and even tweak animations, all visually with no coding required. It has even added an AI agent to my portfolio project automatically. This is what makes Ready so powerful. It's not just another website builder. It's an AI web designer that understands your ideas and transforms them into real, functional web projects. So now let's actually start from scratch and create a SaaS landing page. I've already prepared a full detailed prompt for this tutorial, and I've also included the link to all the prompts that I'm going to use in this video. And you can find that link down below in the description box of this video. But if you have your own app idea that you want to create, you can use AIs like ChatGPT to help you craft a detailed prompt. Just describe your core design and functionality ideas. Explain what your app does, how it should look, and what kind of experience you want to deliver. Then ask the AI to turn that into a structured, professional prompt for you. Okay, now that I've added my prompt, I'm just going to hit the send button to move on to the next step. Ready immediately starts analyzing our prompt, and it automatically generates the section structure that our app will be built from. But remember, you're in full control. You can add new sections, remove the ones you don't need, rename them, or even reorder them to better fit your project's flow. Once everything looks good, just hit the next button to continue. And now Ready AI begins generating a logo that you can use for your app. You can regenerate a new one if you're not happy with the result, or even upload your own logo directly from your device. It's completely up to you. When I click the next button again, Ready AI starts the full generating process. And finally, it's done generating. Here we have our complete SaaS landing page. At the top, there's a clean header with navigation links and a Get Started button. Then we've got the hero section with a bold headline, a short description, and 2 clear call to action buttons. Below that, we see the features section, glowing cards that show everything the platform offers. Next is the workflow and insights area with visuals and step-by-step details. Then comes the pricing section with 3 simple plans: starter, professional, and enterprise. And finally, we end with a big call to action and a clean footer packed with all the essentials. Everything is looking perfect. But if there's anything that you want to change, or if you'd like to add a new element or section, Ready has you completely covered. Are some amazing options in Ready that let you customize your website however you want. For example, in my hero section, I have an idea to add a 3D element. To do that, I first need to change the position of all the elements inside the hero and move them to the left side so I have space to place the 3D model on the right. So to make this adjustment, let's use the selector tool. This tool allows us to target any element or section on our website and update or remove it just by describing what we want. Now I'll enter my prompt, update the hero section to a 2-column layout. Move and align the headline, subheadline, badge, and CTA buttons to the left side. That's it. Now I'll hit the send button and Ready will start applying the changes automatically. And there we go. This is exactly what I wanted. The hero layout has been updated, and now I have the perfect space to add my 3D element. Now to add a 3D model to your website, there are a few different ways you can do it. You can create your own custom 3D model using tools like Blender or Spline, but if you don't know how to do that, you can also use ready-to-go 3D models created by other designers. For that, visit websites like Sketchfab, where you can find plenty of high-quality 3D models. Many of them are animated, some are free, while others are paid. You can also find some great models on the 3JS website too. But in this video, I'm going to use Spline to integrate the 3D model I want into my website. Just go to spline.design and create your free account. Once you're in, navigate to the left panel and go to the community section. Here, you'll find a huge variety of 3D models created by other users. You can explore, choose one you like, remix it, customize it, and export it, all in just a few clicks. For my website, I'm going to use a model created by Mantuan. Now I'll select the remix option, and this opens the model in the Spline editor. I've already adjusted the model's position to match my hero section, and I'll share the link to this edited model down below in the description box, so you can use the same one if you want. Now here comes the main part. How do we actually bring this 3D model into our website? Thanks to Ready AI, it's super simple. Just click the export option in Spline, and from the public URL section, go to Play Settings. Make sure your settings match mine exactly, and then update your public URL. Once that's done, head back to the Overview tab, and here you'll find your embed code. Go ahead and copy this code. Now switch back to Ready AI. Down at the bottom right corner, you'll find the Toolbox option. This is where you can integrate some really powerful features into your website. From SEO tools and advanced configurations to Supabase integration, and even an intelligent AI agent. But in this case, what we need is the embed code option. So let's add that. And now here we have a placeholder area where we can paste our 3D embed code. Below that, there's a text box where we can enter our prompt. This tells Ready what this embed code is and how and where we want to display the model on our site. So I'll type in my prompt and hit the send button. And that's it. Now let's wait for the results. Finally, it's done. And as you can see, our hero section now looks much better. Let's view it in full screen. And there we go. Perfect. But still, there are a few changes that I want to make. For example, for my hero headline and the paragraph below it, I want to make the hero text smaller so it fits into just 2 lines. So let's go ahead and enter our next prompt to make that adjustment. Okay, it's done. It seems like the size was reduced, but the headline is still not in 2 lines. So I'll try entering a few different prompts and play around with them until I reach the result I want. Also, it's worth mentioning that every time you run a prompt and the result isn't what you expected, you can simply discard that version and get your credits back, which is super helpful. Okay, after a few tries, I finally got it. Next, I want to put Ready through a few tough challenges to see if this tool can handle adding advanced 3D effects and animations to our website. So for this, I'm going to add some 3D hover effects to these cards right here. To do that, I'll first enable the selector tool to target one of the cards, just like that. And now I'll enter my prompt and hit the send button. And don't forget, I've shared all of these prompts with you. You can find the link down below in the description box. And finally, it's done generating. Now if I scroll down and hover over each of these cards, we can see an awesome 3D effect animating as we hover. Pretty amazing, right? Now for the next step, I'm going to ask Ready to add some super advanced scroll trigger animations to my project. As you can see right now, When we scroll down, nothing really happens. The elements just stay static, with no animations at all. So I'll go ahead and enter my animation prompt and hit send. And after a few minutes, here we go. Our website is now fully animated. As we scroll down through each section, you'll notice how the elements smoothly fade, slide, and animate into view in different shapes and directions, making the entire site look way more modern and dynamic. And just like that, you can keep developing your app further. There are really no limits to what you can create with Ready AI. Almost anything you imagine, you can achieve. It even includes a feature that lets you create complete, multi-page websites in just a few clicks. For example, if we scroll down to our footer, you'll notice a few labels that are just mockups right now. They don't lead anywhere yet. But if I select one of them, for example, about this company, an option pops up that says continue to generate. Once I click on it, a task appears on the right panel that says, I will continue to create this interaction. Just say OK to confirm or tell me if you need any specific features. Now what I want is to create a dedicated about page that clearly presents the company's story. So I'll paste that in and hit the send button. After a few minutes, it finishes the task, and now if I click on the About label in the footer, it takes us to a separate About page with complete details about our company. And of course, you can customize this page however you like, or continue generating additional pages to complete your entire website. In the integration panel, Ready gives you access to some really powerful tools that help make your project production ready, like using Supabase to handle your backend, or Stripe to add payment functionality to your app. And there's even a Ready Agent feature that you can add to your project with a single click. And it looks like the AI agent has been successfully added to our app. Let's go ahead and click on the Talk with Us option down here, and there we go. Now users can actually chat with the online agent either by typing or using voice input. As you can see, the AI agent responds instantly and naturally at every step, handling the conversation just like a real assistant. It's really impressive how Ready AI manages to integrate this level of functionality so seamlessly. Everything feels smooth, responsive, and ready for real-world use straight out of the box. Now, if you want to customize your AI agent, just head over to the agent settings. Here, you'll find the global prompt, which acts as the knowledge base your agent is connected to. Essentially, this is where your agent learns everything it needs to know about your app. As you can see, Ready AI has already generated an initial knowledge base automatically based on the information it has about our project. You can easily expand on it, adding as many details as you'd like to make your agent smarter and more context-aware. Below this box, we have a few more options, like changing the language of your agent. You can also add FAQs to help your AI answer faster and more accurately. Now, right below, we have this toggle button that lets us turn on or off new appointment email notifications that you receive. On the left panel, we also have 3 data tables for our agent and book sessions. The first one is the Appointments tab. This is where every single appointment made through your agent will appear. For example, the session we just booked is listed right here. Next, we have the Leads tab, which displays all the leads your agent has captured, a great way to keep track of potential clients or users who've interacted with your app. Finally, the Form tab lets us create and manage website forms to collect visitor info and view all submissions directly inside Ready. Once your app is ready for the real world, you can easily publish it too. Ready gives you several powerful options to take your project live. You can connect your own custom domain if you already have one, or even purchase a brand new domain. Alternatively, you can publish your app on Ready's domain and make it live instantly, literally with a single click. And the best part is, whenever you make updates or improvements to your website, you don't need to redo everything. Just hit the update button and Ready will automatically push your latest changes to the live version of your app. Our AI-powered website is live and ready to go. We built it step by step using multiple prompts, refining each section until it looked exactly how we wanted. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below for all the prompts and resources used in this video. And if you're ready to try it yourself, go ahead and open the first link down below in the description box and start exploring Ready AI's powerful features to build your dream app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.